Okay guys, now what we need to do is turn on the battery. You have your cable installed into the motor. We need to power up the system. The next step is to hold and press this button on the M10 battery for 4 seconds, and that will light up the battery, bring everything to power. You will see that your M10 is now on. Display screen is now showing you that you need to attach a kill switch. We highly recommend that you attach this to a lanyard around your wrist, maybe on your PDF or your life jacket, just to make sure if you ever go in the water, the motor stops, everything's nice and safe. Really simple to do. Fold up the tiller. Underneath here, you will see a red circle. You take your kill switch, you place it on that red circle. It's magnetized, it'll stay there. And this brings the M10 to life. You will see the screen is all lit up, and that means that our M10 is ready for a day on the water. Super simple, couldn't be easier. Ready for the next step.